some hay feeders at Martin's Hay Feeders near Linwood, Ontario. So this is pretty much where I grew up, just around the corner from here. Most of these farms I helped do custom work on growing up. Yeah, baled a lot of hay, chopped a lot of corn, at most of these farms actually. So I left Wabashine at 6 o'clock this morning there. That's about ready to combine. We're getting real close. But there's a lot of lodged wheat that it's gone flat. And that is still much greener, so I don't know. I'm not looking forward to that at all. Down by Tavistock there, it's pretty bad. There's some fields that are really flat. On the left is a farm that my uncle rents, and his wheat's almost ready too. Yeah, good old Manza Road. If I turned right, we'd be at farm where I grew up in a minute. But I guess we'll go home. This trip's been long enough. ugliest vehicles ever made. Oh. Chevrolet HHR. What were they thinking? Everybody wants to turn down this road. Come on. Off you go. Alright, I'll see you back at the farm. Alright, this trip is done. Pretty successful. I picked up these hay feeders here on my way home. Not sure where everybody is, but we got 6 of those on the trailer. They make a good product there in Martin's Hay Feeders. And it's raining on me. So, it was a good trip. Yesterday I left at midnight. Made it back. They're delivered up by Deborah. Made it back down to Wabashin for the night. So that was a high mile day, 1,231 kilometers. That's not bad. Oh look, he's got, yeah, I'm surprised that's gonna have to be bent down again. Just a bit. But, looks like that's all repaired. Awesome. And apparently the leak up front is fixed too. So this truck will be ready to go again next week. I like the Mack, but this one is definitely better. Unloading. Gonna get my forks lined up. Easy now. And up we go. That tile roll came in handy. Try not to hit anything or drop them. Just gonna put them over there for now. Right there. Easy now. Almost dropped that one. That's no good. Somewhere about there. Perfect. Come on. Yeah. I gotta move the harvester so I can get the combine out. Sharpen knives. I'll get right on that. Is the park brake on? Yep. No, it's not. Haven't driven this thing this year yet. Jumpy thing. Easy now. Man, this thing is jumpy. I really haven't driven it this year yet. Park brake on. And you can be quiet.